Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can unlink Facebook from Instagram with very simple steps. Without wasting any time, let's get started. So first, we will go to our profile, click on that, and after that we will come over the setting option or setting icon, click on that, and then we will going to select settings and privacy, click on that, and after that we will going to select this Meta account center, click on that. And after that, here is our all profiles. And now we will scroll down a little bit and we're going to find accounts over here. Click on that. So you can see there are 3 accounts. So here is my Facebook account. So if I click on remove and then click on remove accounts and then click continue. And then yes, remove my account. And after a short time, you can see you removed. Made some shop to my account names. And if you want to click on OK, the account is removed. You can see over here. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope to see you in other videos. Till then, goodbye.